ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോകൾക്കായി ആ ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ ഇടുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചേരുകയുള്ളൂ.
Nowadays, obesity is a big issue among the people. For losing weight without exercise and diet, you should drink this miraculous homemade drink. It will boost your metabolism and speed up the weight loss process. These super 3 ingredients will help you to lose weight faster than ever. The 3 ingredients are 1. Lemon. Some health benefits of lemon are: it promotes hydration. It's a good source of vitamin C. It supports weight loss. It improves your skin quality. Aids digestion. Freshens the breath and helps to prevent kidney stones. 2. Cinnamon powder. Some health benefits of cinnamon are: cinnamon is a high in a substance with powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. It may cut the risk of heart disease, stabilize blood sugar by dramatically reducing insulin resistance. Cinnamon may protect against cancer and helps to fight bacterial and fungal infections. 3. Cumin seeds powder. Some health benefits of cumin seeds are: promotes digestion. It is a rich source of iron. Contain beneficial plant compounds. May help with diabetics. Improve blood cholesterol. It promotes weight loss and fat reduction. May help with drug dependencies. Preparation: take 1 glass lukewarm water, add 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Then squeeze the lemon into it. Drink this miraculous drink daily before sleep. You will get the positive results of this remedy in few days. You can continue this remedy until you lose weight according to your